All right, let's test this out. Okay, so this is a quick hack or a workaround to render glass in Eevee, which is under a minute long to do. Okay, this is the best test, the simplest method I've figured out so far. And one of my grade 9 students helped me in my research. Karina, thank you for that. All right, so this middle piece here, I'm going to select it. I'm going to call it new. On the beach ball down here was where your materials are. Okay, everybody knows that. So I'll just go glass, and I'm going to call it demo. Boom, right here. Right now, as you can see, it's not opaque. We're not going to touch the alpha. And we're going to change the IOR first of all to 1.33. That's a reflection. Roughness to 0, metallic to 0. Okay, I'll unpack IOR, incident of refraction, in the future. Okay, so we're starting like that. Second, prior to rendering, what we're going to do is go to the camera here, and we're going to make sure we're in Eevee and not cycles, because our computers can't handle it. So this is an Eevee hack, okay, or a workaround. Right here, ray tracing is enabled. Okay, so camera, Eevee, ray tracing checked. Okay, very important. Second, you go to the beach ball. So far, so good. Leave it at white, metallic, 0, roughness 0, IOR 1.33, alpha, leave it alone. Okay, so the next part I think I'll go to is we'll go to 1 second. Where am I here? Subsurface volume, thickness, default settings. Surface needs to be ray traced right here under settings. Right here. So, and then instead of sphere, I want to change to slab. Okay. And there's probably one more thing I have to do here. Weight as 1. Transmission as 1. See? Transmission 1 and not 0. Look at the difference. Boom. I got some noise in the background. Thank you for doing that. Appreciate it. All right, cool. So right now, if I render now compared to previously, function F12 right there. So you can see it's kind of sweet, right? This is a beautiful result without using cycles, and it's incredibly fast. I would strongly recommend anyone who's using glass use this method, okay? So let's just review it. And again, this is a short, super short video. Don't touch the color here. Color has effects, but you can test around. Leave metallic 0, roughness 0, IR 1.33. There's a coefficient for types of glass. I'll teach you guys that in the future. Transmission is 1. If you have this at 0, it will not work. See? That's the trick there. And then afterwards, down here under surface, we want to go to ray trace and then slab and not sphere. See the difference? Boom. So if I go and change sphere to slab, that gives you a beautiful, beautiful result. Okay? We don't need a super high-end computer to do this. The end result will be fantastic. And of course, I have to hold function for this. All right. Function F12. Here's my image. I'll go to image, save a copy or save as. Leave it as PNG or JPEG. That's it. All right. Enjoy, folks. This is a sweet result. It took us a while to get here, but it's worth it. Okay. Balian out. Thank you. All right. We're done.